What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme 19 live cop. I know I missed last week, but that was due to some things out of my control, but we are back for this week, and unfortunately I think I may have to miss next week as well. But after I take a break next week, I'm hoping that the week after that will be like the season 2 of the channel, so I'll be bringing you guys way more videos than I usually do. We just got to make it through these next couple of weeks. This week is highlighted by, I guess you could say, the summer tees, which is also probably the worst tees I have ever seen from the brand. I'm really upset. That's why this week there's not really anything specifically we're going for. I'm just gonna try to get some tees and some hats for the store, and if I don't get anything, I'm not tripping, but I think obviously I will, because I don't think anyone wants these tees. But if you're wanting some tees that don't suck, my brand Hellheart will be dropping new clothes tomorrow. We actually have 6 t-shirts coming out tomorrow, as well as 2 skateboards. Those will be on the website hellxheart.com. There will be a card on the screen right now, as well as a link in the description to both the Instagram and the website. But while you're down there, and I keep plugging myself, make sure you follow myself on Instagram, because I still be dropping all the fire photos. Even though Instagram is not an app for photos anymore, I'm still on it for all my cool photos. That is Chandler Sutton on the screen and in the description. Anyways, back to the video. So we got about 5 minutes left until the drop, and like I said, there's not really anything specifically we're going for. I could care less if I get nothing, and I could care less if I get something, because I don't really want any of these things. If I wanted something for myself, I probably would have picked that portable speaker, but I think that's supposed to be around $300, so yeah, you can count me out of that one. I don't really need it that bad. And then some of these hats are kind of cool, not for me, but I mean, like I said, I'm just gonna get them for the store like I usually do. And then if I were going to pick a shirt, it's probably that one that literally just says Supreme. I think that's the best one. Other than that, I don't really care for any of these, but like I said, we're just gonna try to get a couple of them. If I get them, I get them. If I don't, I don't. But obviously I think it should be a very, very easy cook this week. So let me get everything set up right now. Okay, that was taking a lot longer than I anticipated to set that up. I was getting a little nervous. Anyways, we had about 2 minutes and 30 seconds left until the drop. I guess while we're here, we could take a look at last week. Last week, I know you guys are going to be quite surprised, but I did not go for the squirt gun, because as you can see right here, that thing was $228. So I just sat back and let everyone else cop that. But I did end up getting this plant thing. I don't know if the plant's included, but is it included? Yeah, it might be included. I don't know. But yeah, I got the smaller one because that was only like $40 some, and then I got this keychain because I just buy every single keychain ever for no reason. So you know, I got that. I don't remember what color I got, but that's basically all I got from last week. I didn't get the Nikes either. Just wasn't really feeling them. Oh, I did want this hat, but unfortunately, even though it's still in stock, I think I bought this black one on accident because it loaded wrong, like it almost always does for me, like lags a little bit. So I wasn't able to get the hat. Not for myself, but again, just something else I wanted for the store that I unfortunately couldn't get. But alright, so we have about 1 minute and 30 seconds left now. And since this isn't like a crazy drop, and I am going for hats as well as t-shirts, I am going to load in the new. And then sometimes when it's like these shirt releases, they might restock an accessory. So I might do all and just scroll away to the bottom and see if I notice like any new accessories that are here. Wow, these decks are still in stock. Yeah, wow, that's kind of crazy. These 2 colors are sold out, but so yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And these chairs are still in stock. That's crazy. Because like I said, we're just gonna be taking our time this week. If I get like 12 things in my cart and then they all end up selling out, I'm not even gonna be worried about it. So we're just taking our time to see what we're just gonna browse the website, you know, while we try to get something. So we got almost 30 seconds left until the drop. I was gonna actually look before it goes away. Hopefully I got some time. How much was this bag? $128. I guess that's not terrible for that being Vanson, because this was kind of cool, I couldn't lie. Probably don't think I could rock that, but I thought that's kind of cool. Oh, it's a wrist bag anyways. No way I could rock that. All right, let's go. We got 20 seconds. I guess I just loaded on all. It's no big deal. Is this stuff gonna go away though? It might not go away. Maybe I'll just jump between both, because yeah, 10 seconds left. Let me get this ready. And it is officially 11 o'clock. So still nothing on the new. Usually it's not really lagging on these type of days, because I think everyone's just sitting back relaxing this week. But still nothing. Hopefully that's not my, oh, did it just go? No, it did not. No, still not going. Oh, there we go. So yeah, let's make sure the speaker is, yeah, the speaker is 248. Let's take a look at the all low real quick, make sure there's no new accessories, not new accessories, but like restocked. There isn't. So we can try to get a few of these things. I did kind of like this shirt. I didn't think this was like terrible, so I am going to try to grab this. We'll just go to next t-shirt. This was easily the best one, so I am going to try to get this as well in a small. Should have no problem doing that. This, I don't know about this. This is, and this, who cares? Sure, we're trying to get as close as we possibly can to free shipping. Don't even think I'm buying that. I might even have to censor that. We'll probably get demonetized for that one. We'll try to grab this one though. This one too, I guess. And no, actually, I don't want to grab that one. This one though, I will try to grab. Did they raise the price of the shirts? These are like all $40. That's kind of crazy. And this one I'll also grab, and I think that's all of the t-shirts. Yeah, because I already got. Let's go back to view all. Should have no problem doing this. I know lots of you guys are cringing, but I did want to remove this and then add that instead. I know you guys are cringing though. Probably me going back here. I don't even know what hats were new, so I actually got to go to new. And then, yeah, are these two different hats? What is this? Gel cam cap. I don't know about this one. Maybe I'll pass on that one. But this thing was kind of cool. So I think I'm just gonna grab these items. It is free shipping though, so as long as none of that stuff sold out. I didn't even realize that they raised the prices of the t-shirts. I wonder how long ago that they did that. So hopefully none of that stuff sold out. I did have some smalls in there, but I feel like small is kind of easy to get now. 2XL is the easy one. Yeah, that was like such an extremely easy cook. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things on that order. So I'll screenshot this real quick. Dang, $334 though after that sales tax, but at least I got the free shipping. So let's just go back here though before I end the screen recording. I'm actually not going to be going for anything else. I think I don't really need anything. So let's just go on new though. Wow, that kayak is still here. Oh well, it's $1,600. That's why it's still here. How much was this towel? 78. I feel like that's a little bit higher too than usual. Oh, I completely forgot these hats. That kind of sucks. I wanted to grab this. Wait, this is a fitted hat? That was a trucker hat. Yeah, never mind. I didn't need that. This is kind of cool though too. Don't really know what they're doing here, but yeah. Let me go back to that new though. Clearly I had missed that, even though I don't want that anymore, but still. Yeah, we got like all the t-shirts except the ones that I skipped, and yeah, that's basically everything. This was kind of fire though, these water shorts. I was thinking about grabbing these, but all these the water shorts are a lot of money, so yeah, I didn't grab these. And I feel like they kind of dropped the ball. There were really no cool colors. Alright, so that is going to end it for the screen recording, and like I said, this was a very easy cook. I mean, I took my time trying to get those items, and I still got them. It wasn't anything crazy. That is going to do with my week 19 live cop, and yeah, sorry that was uneventful. It wasn't really that crazy. But I think next week, because I don't believe this is the last week. Usually they say, and I don't think, yeah, it's only week 19. Usually it gets into the 20s a little bit. So I don't think next week's going to be the last week, but I am unfortunately going to have to miss next week on uploading a video. So I do apologize about that. But after that week, we're going to be coming back better than ever. I have a new intro, got new everything. Like, it's going to be crazy, guys. So stay tuned for that. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments down below if you were able to cop anything from this drop or if you just didn't want anything from this drop. So make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, and make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Actually, wait, before I go, like I said at the beginning of the video, my brand Hellheart, we have a drop coming tomorrow at 5:36 p.m. Eastern time. This is actually one of the t-shirts, as well as 5 other ones. You guys aren't going to want to miss that. And actually today the lookbook is coming out, so that will be on my Instagram as well as the Hellheart Instagram, both of which will be in the description down below. I hope to see you guys there. Now to recap on what I just said before that, make sure you like the video, subscribe, comment, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.